Alright folks, it's August 19th, 2020 here in Cape Breton, Nova Scotia, and I'm just doing a little bit of a sky video showing off what's overhead here today after 4 days of rain and complete overcast. So what we got here today is some sunlight. It's chilly, but we got some light provider there making some rainbow cloud, like an oil slick in them, I guess you could say. And you get some chem haze and debris blowing around there as well. You got some what look like thunder clouds off in the distance, blowing out over the coast to the Atlantic. Chemtrail haze up there, chemtrail laid into the top of the, from what I can tell, a thundercloud structure. But the chemical rainbow around the sun in the clouds, that's pretty gross as far as I'm concerned. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's just a short video of the day, I guess. That looks gross. That's spread out pretty gross. So with that, guys, thank you for subscribing, clicking that notification icon. Always the awesome, beautiful comments. I love them. You guys are awesome. And much love from the Cape. Hashtag no fear. And I'm out.